Hello everyone, Matt here from Angry Sloth Games. Welcome to my tutorial for installing my slow motion mod. I'm going to take you through it step by step. If I'm going a bit too fast for you, you can just slow down the speed of the video and everything will be fine. So, first step, in either the YouTube video you're watching or in the Nexus mod page, there'll be a link to the Unreal ModLoader GitHub page. So we're going to start off by installing the Unreal ModLoader. So click on that. So you've clicked the link to take you to GitHub, which is the page we're going to download the ModLoader from. It's made by Russell Jerome. So head down the page and just to the asset section, and there's the Unreal ModLoader RAR file. Click on that, and that should download very quickly. Then head to your downloads folder. And you see there the zip file has been downloaded. Double click on that, and then extract all. So what you're going to do now is I recommend you go to Browse, then go to your Documents folder and create a specific Unreal ModLoader folder. This just keeps everything nice and neat. See, I've made one there. So I've clicked in that, and then I'm just going to click Select Folder. And so that means that the contents of the ModLoader will be loaded into this nice, neat folder here. So then click Extract, and there you go. That's the ModLoader installed. So next step, we're going to click on the UnrealEngineMod Launcher application. Now the first time you do this, Windows Protector is going to pop up this little window, but don't worry about that. Just click on More Info and then Run anyway. And then a little black box will appear, hopefully, which means, yep, the mod launcher is installed and working properly. Now I'll close that down. The next step is we're going to be installing the mod itself. So click on the link to download the mod, and that should happen very quickly. And then in your downloads folder, you'll find the mod zip file. Now double click on that, and then you can click extract all. Now you can just extract this here in the downloads folder. It's much simpler. And you'll see that there are two files in there. The mod slow motion pack, which is the mod, and then the Hellblade profile file, which is a profile which will allow the mod launcher to hook into the game. So into the mod loader folder again. Click on the profiles folder. Now you see this list of profiles. These are all the games that the mod loader works with currently. But you'll be able to see that there isn't a Hellblade file in there yet. But don't worry, I've sorted that out for you. You just need to drag the profile from the mod folder into the profile folder. And then to make sure that the mod loader has recognized it, go back to the launcher application, click on that. And then that black box has appeared. Now don't close the box this time. Instead, you're going to go into Steam, find Hellblade, and start the game. And then you go back to the black box, it appears, and that line of code means that it has hooked into the game properly, which means it works. So now all you need to do is close the game, close the box, and now we're going to move the mod itself into the game. So now what you need to do is go back into Steam, right click on Hellblade, and go down to Manage and then Browse Local Files. And this will take you to the file structure of the game. Now you click the Hellblade game folder, Content, Packs, and then inside this folder there is a new folder called Logic Mods, which is made by the ModLoader. So you go into that. And then you need to drag the mod slow motion pack into this Logic Mods folder. See there, just drag then drop that in. Then you'll see in the packs folder, that's done perfectly. Now you close that down, close down the downloads folder, and then back into the mod launcher. Now, the moment of truth. And now we're going to launch the mod launcher again. See the little black box appeared. Now back into Steam and press play on Hellblade. And this is the moment of truth. And this is how you actually activate the mod inside the game. So I've skipped the part where the game has loaded. So now once you've started the game, open the menu. Just normal menu, and then press F1 and you're able to see in the top left corner that is the mod load interface. So you click on Logic Mods and then you'll be able to see mod slow motion, and then in that There's the details of it, and you go down to mod buttons, and those are the toggle buttons. The first one, slow-mo 0.5 on, you click that, it activates the mod, and then the second one turns off the mod. So you click the first button, press F1 to close the mod interface, and then there you go. You are now playing at half speed, slow motion. And like I say, this is primarily as an accessibility feature for people who struggle with, and then I'll go back into the interface, click the second one, slow motion 0.5 off, and there you go, back to normal. So like I say, primarily this is for people who may struggle with combat or areas like a fiery area where you'll die if you don't get through fast enough. But if you don't need it for that, you have to admit it looks pretty epic as well. So thank you for downloading this mod and going through this tutorial with me. Yeah, enjoy the mod. Thanks very much. Bye-bye. Oh, almost forgot. If you want to support me in my quest to make more accessibility mods, you can go to my Patreon, which is patreon.com/AngrySlothGames, or you can send me a one-off donation to my PayPal, which is to angryslothgames@gmail.com. Any donations are very appreciated. Thanks very much. Bye-bye.